Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Podcast 2.0. We are by your side. I am Jamie.
And I am Jack.
This podcast is specially made for people who want to learn American English easily. If you are a beginner, don't worry. If you feel scared to speak English, this podcast is for you.
Here we learn English through simple stories, daily life conversations, and real-world topics like travel, hotels, family, work, and dreams.
English learning tips. Intro section. Before we start today's story, remember these 3 simple tips. Number 1, don't translate every word. Try to understand the meaning, not every single word. Number 2, listen again and again. Listening one time is not enough. Repeat the same episode while walking, cooking, or resting. Number 3, speak alone. Pause the podcast and repeat sentences loudly. Don't be shy. You are learning.
Now, relax. Take a deep breath, and let's start today's beautiful story. My name is Alex Carter. I am from New York, USA. I love traveling. I love meeting new people. And I love staying in beautiful hotels. For me, a hotel is not just a place to sleep. A hotel is a story, a feeling, and sometimes a new beginning. In the year 2026, I decided to start a special journey. This journey was called Best Hotels Around the World.
The dream begins. One quiet morning, I was sitting near my window with a cup of coffee. The city was busy. Cars were moving fast. People were rushing to work. I opened my laptop and said to myself, "Alex, life is short. Let's see the world." I made a list of countries and hotels I always dreamed about. France, Italy, Switzerland, Maldives, Japan, Dubai, USA luxury resorts. This was not just a travel plan. This was a life lesson journey.
My first stop was Paris. Paris is called the City of Love. The air feels romantic. The streets look like paintings. I stayed in a beautiful luxury hotel near the Eiffel Tower. The hotel lobby was very calm. Soft music was playing. The smell of fresh flowers was everywhere. A polite woman at the reception smiled and said, "Welcome to Paris, sir." I smiled back and replied, "Thank you. This is my first time here."
The room experience. When I entered my room, I was amazed. A large, soft bed, a big window with Eiffel Tower view, white curtains moving with the air, a small table for coffee and books. I sat on the bed and whispered, "Wow, this is peace." That night, I couldn't sleep fast, not because of noise, but because of happiness.
Easy English vocabulary, hotel. Let's learn some easy hotel words. Lobby, main area of the hotel. Reception, front desk. View, what you see from the window. Luxury, very comfortable and expensive. Calm, quiet and peaceful. Try to say these words loudly now. Try to say these words slowly.
Morning at the hotel. In the morning, I went to the hotel restaurant for breakfast. The waiter asked, "Coffee or tea, sir?" I said, "Coffee, please." This is a very common sentence. You can use it everywhere. Breakfast included bread, cheese, eggs, fresh juice. I sat near the window and watched people walking outside. I thought, good hotels don't just give rooms, they give memories.
Simple English sentence practice. Repeat after me. This hotel is very beautiful. I feel relaxed here. The service is excellent. I enjoy my stay. Say it slowly. Say it clearly.
Life lesson from the first hotel. This hotel taught me one important thing. Comfort is not luxury. Peace is luxury.
Best hotels around the world. Hotel 2, a mountain hotel in Switzerland. After leaving Paris, I traveled to Switzerland. Switzerland is a country of snowy mountains, green valleys, and clear blue lakes. The air there feels fresh and clean. When you breathe, your heart feels light. I stayed in a mountain hotel near the Alps. The hotel was made of wood and stone. It looked warm and cozy. When I arrived, a friendly man said, "Welcome to Switzerland. I hope you enjoy the mountains." I replied slowly, "Thank you. This place looks beautiful."
Inside the mountain hotel, everything felt peaceful. Wooden walls, soft yellow lights, a fireplace in the lobby, hot chocolate smell. I sat near the fire and felt relaxed. Sometimes silence teaches more than words.
My room in the mountains. My room had a large window. Outside, I could see snow-covered mountains. I opened the window a little. Cold air touched my face. I said to myself, "This is nature's hotel." At night, I slept deeply. No noise, no stress.
Easy English words for mountain hotel. Mountain, very high land, snowy, covered with snow, fireplace, place for fire inside a room, peaceful, very calm, cozy, warm and comfortable. Repeat these words slowly.
Hotel 3, Water Villa Hotel in Maldives. After Switzerland, I flew to the Maldives. The Maldives is a dream place. Blue sea, white sand, and quiet skies. I stayed in a water villa hotel. My room was above the water. When I opened the door, I saw the ocean. I could hear the sound of waves. I whispered, "This feels like a movie."
Morning in the water villa. In the morning, the sun rose from the sea. The sky turned orange and pink. I sat on the balcony and drank tea. A hotel staff member asked, "How is your stay, sir?" I answered, "It's perfect, very peaceful." This is a useful sentence for you. My stay is very comfortable.
Living with the ocean. I swam in the sea. Colorful fish were moving around me. At night, the water shined like stars. The hotel was quiet. It felt like the world stopped.
Easy English words for beach hotel. Ocean, very large sea. Wave, moving water. Balcony, small open space outside a room. Relax, rest your body and mind. Perfect, very good.
Hotel 4, Traditional Hotel in Japan. Next, I visited Japan. Japan is a mix of old tradition and modern life. I stayed in a traditional Japanese hotel called a ryokan. The hotel was simple but beautiful. Tatami floor, sliding doors, soft light, quiet rooms. A woman at the hotel bowed and said, "Welcome." I bowed back.
Sleeping the Japanese way. There was no big bed. I slept on a futon on the floor. At first, I felt nervous, but later I slept very well. Sometimes simple life gives deep comfort.
Tea and silence. In the evening, I drank green tea. I listened to silence. This hotel taught me you don't need too much to be happy.
Easy English words. Japan hotel. Tradition, old culture. Modern, new style, quiet, no noise, simple, not complicated, respect, polite behavior.
English speaking practice. Repeat these sentences. This hotel is very peaceful. I feel relaxed here. The service is excellent. I enjoy my stay. Say it slowly. Say it clearly.
Life lesson from part 2. Each hotel is different. Each country is different. But one thing is same. Good hotels make you feel at home. New York City. Welcome to New York City. My journey took me back to my home country, the United States. But this time, I was not going home. I was going to New York City.
New York is not just a city. New York is a feeling. The city never sleeps. Cars move fast. People walk fast. Life moves fast. When you come to New York, you feel energy in the air.
Hotel in the heart of the city. I stayed in a City Life hotel in Manhattan. The hotel was tall and modern. Glass walls, bright lights, busy lobby.
People from different countries were everywhere. I heard many languages: English, Spanish, French, Chinese. This is New York.
At the reception desk, the receptionist smiled and said, "Welcome to New York. Do you have a reservation?" I replied, "Yes, I do."
This is a very useful sentence. Practice. Do you have a reservation? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
My New York hotel room. My room was not very big, but it was clean, modern, and comfortable. From the window, I could see tall buildings, yellow taxis, busy streets.
At night, the city lights looked beautiful. I stood near the window and thought, this city is alive.
Easy English words for city hotel. City, a big town. Busy, many people, many activities. Modern, new style. Reservation, booking. Comfortable, easy and relaxing. Repeat these words slowly. Morning in a New York hotel. In the morning, I went down for breakfast. People were in a hurry. Some were talking on phones, some were drinking coffee fast. A waiter asked, "What would you like?"
I said, coffee and toast, please. This sentence is simple and powerful.
Practice. What would you like? I would like coffee, please. Outside the hotel, City Life. I walked outside the hotel. The streets were full of life. Yellow taxis, street food carts, office workers, tourists taking photos.
New York hotels are special because they are connected to the city. When you stay there, you feel part of the city life.
Luxury city hotel experience. One night, I visited a luxury city hotel. This hotel had a rooftop restaurant, a city view bar, soft music, friendly staff.
I sat near the window and watched the city from above. The city looked calm from the top. Sometimes you need height to see peace.
Easy English words for luxury hotel. Luxury, very high quality. Rooftop, top of the building. View, what you can see. Staff, people who work in the hotel. Experience, what you feel and remember.
English listening and speaking practice. Repeat after me. I am staying in a city hotel. The hotel is very modern. New York is very busy. I enjoy city life. Pause the podcast. Say it loudly. Say it clearly.
Life lesson from New York hotels. New York hotels taught me something important. Life can be busy, but you can still find comfort. Even in noise, even in crowds, a good hotel gives you rest. Easy English learn tricks.
Trick 1. Think in English. Do not translate in your head. Start with small thoughts. I am happy. I am busy. I am learning English.
Trick 2. Learn full sentences. Do not learn single words. Learn full sentences. I like this place. This is very easy. I feel confident.
Trick 3. Listen every day. Listen to English daily. Podcasts, stories, short videos. Even 10 minutes is enough.
Trick 4. Speak alone. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your day. Talk in the mirror. Speak while walking. No fear, no pressure.
Trick 5. Repeat again and again. Repetition is the key. Listen one story many times. Repeat the same sentences.
Trick 6. Copy native speakers. Listen and copy the sound. Focus on pronunciation. Copy the rhythm.
Trick 7. No grammar fear. Do not worry about grammar first. Wrong English is okay. Speaking is more important.
Trick 8. One sentence all day. Example: I am improving my English. Say it many times.
Easy daily English routine, 15 minutes. 5 minutes listening, 5 minutes repeating, 5 minutes speaking.
Final advice: English is a skill, not a subject. Practice daily. Be patient. You will improve.
Thank you so much for listening to Daily English Podcast 2.0. I hope you enjoyed today's story and learned new English words, simple sentences, and real-life English.
Remember one thing: you don't need perfect English. You need daily practice.
If you liked this episode, please listen again and share it with your friends who want to learn English. Don't forget to follow this podcast for the next part of the story.
Until next time, keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.
This is Daily English Podcast 2.0. See you soon.